Hello, my dear viewers. Join me as I take on the challenge of waking up with a clearer mind, and I'll share my top brain fog solutions, including foods, supplements, and herbs that I'll be trying out. Brain fog is something that affects millions of people around the world, and it's something that I've personally dealt with for a long time. It's that feeling of mental fatigue, where you can't focus, you can't think clearly, and even the simplest tasks seem like climbing a mountain. It's frustrating, it's debilitating, and it's something that can really hold you back in life. But the good news is that there are solutions out there, and that's what we're going to dive into today. When you're experiencing brain fog, it's like a veil of fog has been cast over your mind. Everything seems hazy, unclear, and it's hard to make decisions or think critically. You might struggle to remember things, or find yourself getting easily distracted. You might even feel anxious or depressed as a result of it. But what are the root causes of brain fog? Well, it could be due to a lack of sleep, a poor diet, or even chronic stress. It could be caused by underlying medical conditions, or simply by the constant bombardment of information that we're exposed to every day. When it comes to brain fog, there are so many potential causes, and it's not always easy to pinpoint the exact issue. But one thing is for sure, it's not just something that you have to live with. There are things that you can do to clear the fog and get your mental clarity back. By making a few simple changes to your lifestyle, you can start to notice a significant difference in your mental state. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The solutions that can help you wake up with a clearer mind and live a more focused, productive life. One of the biggest contributors to brain fog is, you guessed it, our diet. The foods we consume daily play a crucial role in how our brain functions. It's not just about filling our stomachs, it's about fueling our minds. What we put into our bodies directly affects how we feel, both physically and mentally. A diet rich in nutrients can enhance our cognitive abilities, while a poor diet can lead to mental fatigue and lack of focus. When we're consuming high amounts of sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats, it's like we're running our brains on low-grade fuel. These foods might give us a quick energy boost, but they don't provide the sustained energy our brains need. It's no wonder we feel sluggish and foggy. The temporary high from sugary snacks is often followed by a crash, leaving us feeling worse than before. Our brains are incredibly complex organs, and they require a steady stream of nutrients to function at their best. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our brains need the right nutrients to operate efficiently. When we flood our systems with sugar, we experience those energy spikes and crashes that leave us feeling depleted and mentally drained. This constant roller coaster of energy levels can make it hard to concentrate and stay productive. Processed foods are often stripped of essential vitamins and minerals, leaving our brains malnourished. Without these vital nutrients, our cognitive functions can suffer, leading to issues like memory problems and difficulty focusing. And those unhealthy fats, they can actually cause inflammation throughout the body, including the brain, which can further contribute to brain fog. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health issues, including cognitive decline. So what can we do about it? The good news is that we have the power to make positive changes to our diet that can significantly improve our brain health. It's all about making simple, sustainable changes to our diets. Small steps can lead to big improvements over time. First things first, let's talk about cutting back on the sugary drinks, processed snacks, and fast food. These are often the biggest culprits when it comes to poor brain health. I know it's tough, but trust me, your brain will thank you. The initial effort to change your eating habits will pay off in the long run with improved mental clarity and energy levels. Instead, let's focus on incorporating more whole, nutrient-dense foods into our meals. These foods are packed with the vitamins and minerals our brains need to function optimally. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods not only nourish our bodies but also support our cognitive functions. These foods provide the building blocks our brains need to thrive. By choosing nutrient-rich options, we can enhance our mental performance and overall well-being. Now let's talk about some brain-boosting superstars. Certain foods are particularly beneficial for brain health and can give us that extra mental edge. Blueberries, for example, are packed with antioxidants that can help protect our brains from damage. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of nutrients that support cognitive function. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can even improve memory. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of our brain cells. Walnuts, often touted as brain food, contain antioxidants and healthy fats that support cognitive function. snacking on a handful of walnuts can provide a quick and easy brain boost. And let's not forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are loaded with vitamins and minerals that keep our brains sharp. These greens are versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start with manageable steps and build from there. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 brain-boosting foods into your diet each day, and gradually work your way up. Over time, these small changes will add up to significant improvements in your mental clarity and overall health. While food is the foundation for a clear mind, it's not always enough to keep our brains functioning at their best. This is where supplements and herbs come into play. They can be powerful allies in our fight against brain fog and mental fatigue. Think of them as the reinforcements that give our brains an extra edge, helping us to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. One supplement that's often recommended for brain health is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. As we discussed earlier, these healthy fats are crucial for cognitive function, and many of us don't get enough of them through diet alone. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources, but not everyone consumes these regularly. A high-quality omega-3 supplement can help bridge that gap, ensuring that your brain gets the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Another popular choice is lion's mane mushroom, an adaptogenic mushroom that has been traditionally used to enhance cognitive function and support overall brain health. This unique mushroom is not only beneficial for the brain but also supports the nervous system. Studies have shown that lion's mane can stimulate the growth of brain cells, which is pretty amazing. This means it could potentially help with memory, focus, and even mood. Ginkgo biloba is another herb that has been used for centuries to improve memory and cognitive function. This ancient plant has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It's believed to work by increasing blood flow to the brain, delivering those vital nutrients and oxygen. Enhanced circulation can lead to better mental clarity and improved cognitive performance. Now, it's important to note that supplements and herbs can interact with medications, so it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding anything new to your routine. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. They can help you determine the right dosage and ensure it's safe for you. This step is crucial to avoid any potential side effects or interactions. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. They should be part of a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and effective stress management techniques. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. Incorporating these elements into your daily routine can help you achieve optimal mental clarity and overall well-being. Additionally, practices like mindfulness, meditation, and adequate sleep are essential for maintaining mental clarity. These practices help reduce stress and improve focus, making it easier for your brain to function at its best. So, whether you're looking to boost your memory, enhance your focus, or simply support your overall brain health, consider incorporating these supplements and herbs into your routine. With the right approach, you can give your brain the support it needs to thrive. Chapter 3. Let's face it, stress is a fact of life. It's something we all encounter, whether it's from work, relationships, or just the daily grind. But when it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on our mental clarity and overall well-being. Chronic stress can lead to a host of problems, both mental and physical. When we're stressed, our brains are in constant fight or flight mode, pumping out cortisol and adrenaline. These stress hormones are useful in short bursts, but harmful when constantly elevated. This can lead to racing thoughts, difficulty concentrating, and that all too familiar feeling of brain fog. Over time, chronic stress can even impair memory and cognitive function. Managing stress is essential for a clear mind and a healthy body. It's not just about feeling better in the moment, but also about long-term health. One of the most effective ways to do this is through mindfulness practices like meditation. Meditation helps us to center our thoughts and find inner peace. Meditation has been shown to reduce stress hormones, improve focus, and promote a sense of calm. Studies have demonstrated that regular meditation can even change brain structure, enhancing areas related to attention and emotional regulation. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a world of difference. It's a small investment of time for a significant return in mental clarity and emotional stability. Another powerful stress buster is spending time in nature. Nature has a unique way of calming our minds and rejuvenating our spirits. Something as simple as a walk in the park can lower cortisol levels and improve mood. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature can be incredibly therapeutic. And let's not forget about the importance of quality sleep. Sleep is when our bodies and minds repair and rejuvenate. When we're sleep deprived, our brains simply can't function at their best. Lack of sleep affects our mood, memory, and cognitive abilities. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consistent restful sleep is crucial for maintaining mental and physical health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. These small changes can lead to big improvements in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Chapter 4. We live in a digital age, and technology has undoubtedly made our lives easier in many ways. But let's be real, it can also be a major contributor to brain fog. Think about it. We're constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and social media updates. It's no wonder our brains feel fried. Taking a break from technology is essential for mental clarity. Try setting aside specific times each day to disconnect from your devices. Put your phone on airplane mode, step away from the computer, and give your brain a much-needed break. Instead of scrolling through social media, engage in activities that nourish your mind and soul. Read a book, spend time in nature, pursue a hobby, or connect with loved ones. You'll be amazed at how much clearer your mind feels when you give it a break from the digital overload. Chapter 5. Exercise is a game changer when it comes to clearing brain fog. When we engage in physical activity, our brains get a surge of oxygen and nutrients, which can boost cognitive function and improve mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking to dancing to cycling. Find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. And let's not forget about the importance of staying hydrated. Our brains are about 80% water, so even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You can also add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for a refreshing flavor boost. Thanks for watching, and I hope you gained some valuable insights from this video. If you're struggling with brain fog, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Remember, a clear mind starts with nourishing your body, managing stress, and making mindful choices about technology use. It's about prioritizing your well-being and giving your brain the care it deserves. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more practical tips on health, mindfulness, and living your best life. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll dive deeper into powerful techniques for clearing your mind. Let's clear the fog together, one step at a time.